Another InDesign lesson for you. This one is on aligning and distributing objects evenly. It's pretty helpful. InDesign gives you some really useful and pretty easy to use tools in terms of actually being able to align things quickly. So the first thing I need to do is actually get some shapes on here to align. So I'm going to go to my polygon tool. It's the rectangle. And then if I click and hold, I can change to the polygon tool. I'm going to click and let go to define a polygon. And this is actually the one I want, but because I want to create a star, but I'm going to do a 5-sided figure, and I change my star inset to 50%. So when I click OK, it gives me a star. And then I'm going to fill that star with a color so that you can just see what we're doing here. And then I'm going to copy that and paste Command C, Command V several times, just to give myself a few of those so that I actually have something to align. And then we'll kind of randomly spread those throughout the page. So if I had these stars and I wanted to actually line them up so that they were all sort of in the same place, I could go to my alignment menu. So I've got those shapes. I'm going to go to Window at the top, and I'm going to pull down to Object and Layout. And then I'm going to click on Align. And you can see the choices here. I've got align objects across the top, and then I have distribute objects. We can go through both of those. So to align them, I need to select them all. So I can hold my Shift key and select each of those. Or even quicker, if those are the only things on the page, I can just draw with my pointer tool a box around them and select anything that's there. And then to align those, I'm just going to click on one of the alignment buttons. I'm going to spread these out just a little bit more so they don't actually overlap. All right, so we'll select those. And then I can align them to the left edge just by clicking that button. Okay, I'll undo that, and then we'll align them along whatever the center point is in that group of objects. Or, of course, I can align them this way. I've got some vertical alignment. It's going to look like that. Okay, so you get the idea. Now, now they're all on top of each other. So I'm undoing, okay, and get back to there, and then I'll align them again. Once I do that, you can see, because I just kind of randomly place them, I can also without just eyeballing it and kind of dragging things around, I can evenly distribute those within the box. And those are just happen by clicking these. So if I want to align them vertically and have them be centered, I can just click on the box there. And then I've got 4 stars that are perfectly aligned vertically and perfectly centered with each other. And that's it.